morning, this is Mildred and here's the update from SGBI Qatar Council. The Stone Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated, or SGBI, is a non-profit organization founded in January 2, 2009 as a Stone Diamond chapter and accredited by the Securities and Exchange Commission in 2018. The organization expanded its branches from Philippines, Middle East, and Europe. The organization that promotes camaraderie and unity between and among members through voluntary community services. SGBI Council in Qatar continues to serve its vision and mission in unknowingly strengthening its reliability and credibility. SGBI's reputation is built on its evidence-based approach to conservation, transparency, and effective partnership. This brotherhood organization have a long-standing reputation for philanthropy and community engagement. They support causes such as education, disaster relief, and damayan, personal growth, networking, and leadership. In the education aspect, the group offers scholarship and mentoring programs to students in the Philippines. Up to school year 2024-2025, the organization was able to support 32 students from different schools in the Philippines. Currently, there are 2 scholars at Kotkot Talabet Elementary School, 2 in Bangao Elementary School, and 1 high school student at Bangao National High School. Some of the members helped themselves and supported themselves to pursue short courses and trainings, which contributes to their personal growth and academic excellence. On the aspect of disaster relief and damayan, mobilizing resources during crisis to aid affected communities and families. In 2024, the group has reached out to 2 barangays in La Trinidad, Benguet, distributing basic foods and financial support to more than 20 families, extending financial support to its members and immediate family members, extending financial support for burial and medical assistance. The Damayan program also allows the members to respond to the call of inquiries from less fortunate OFWs, connecting them to the proper authorities. In 2024, they have supported 13 OFWs and families, which includes repatriation and cash assistance amounting to Qatari Riyal 5,500. Part of the Damayan program is extending support to the school and churches, repairs and renovations to secure the safety and security of the students and the entire community members. In terms of personal growth, networking, and leadership, membership in a brotherhood organization offers significant personal benefits, including leadership training, professional networking, and lifelong friendship. This group provides platform for members to share knowledge, develop skills, and find mentors, empowering them to excel in various spheres of life. Imparting knowledge is one of the key roles of each member in the organization. Thus, they administer orientations and briefings to new applicants prior to being officially absorbed in part of the organization. For the recognitions and promotions. For big and small achievements, it is always recognized and celebrated. Members were recognized as to their accomplishments, performance, and interpersonal relationship with other members. Promotion to higher rank is being awarded to the most outstanding and deserving members. In terms of the collaboration aspect, SGBI truly believes that collaboration is the cornerstone of progress in today's interconnected world. By combining diverse perspectives, skills, and resources, collaboration empowers individuals and organizations to achieve goals that would be difficult, if not impossible, to accomplish alone. In 2024, SGBI supported JLQ to accomplish one-of-a-kind event in the lives of Filipinos in Doha, Qatar, the celebration of the Philippine Independence Day. In 2024, they invited community volunteers and released them during Tariq event, or the annual traffic awareness and Ramadan Iftar drive, with 297 volunteers and 3,500 pieces of food packs which were distributed to the motorists. It also initiated to support the Qatar Sustainability Week with the support of 23 organizations in Qatar. In addition, it also supports other organizations' events related to sports, which includes bowling and volleyball tournaments for a cause. For the ways and means aspect of the organization, since the group is a non-funded and non-business organization, its day-to-day operation depends on the contribution of its members in support from other individuals. Its committee managed to design a privilege fund generating events through the support and contribution of its members. Awarding rewards to members and participants of each program became a tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, during this occasion, leaders from different councils extend their congratulatory messages as it goes.
Good morning po sa ating lahat, sa aking mga kapatid sa balikat. Kamayat mano po sa lahat ng mga nakataas sa akin. On behalf of SGBI Kuwait, ako po si NFJ Mayor Simperfy, bumabati na ika-16th founding anniversary ng SGBI Qatar na pinamunuan ng ating magiting na ama na si PCGS Ramil RML Loren at ang kanyang may bahay na si Mildred Sinif Miles Nguaban Loren at sa ating magiting na Chief of Staff Nico Sinif Nico Hernandez at sa lahat ng officers and staff. Ang tanging masabi ko lamang sa ating samahan na sana po huwag po tayo magsawang tumulong sa ating kapwa, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan, at manatili tayong uhaw sa pagsunod sa ating mga sinumpaang tungkulin at panatilihin natin sa ating samahan ang respeto, paggalang, pagkakapantay-pantay at pagkakaisa hanggang sa huling patak ng dugo ng mga guardians. Once a guardians, always a guardians. Once again, happy 16th founding anniversary, SGBI Qatar. Mabuhay ang guardians, mabuhay ang SGBI.
Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, sa ating mga kapatid sa balikat. Isang pagkamay at pagyakap po sa ating lahat. Mula sa SGBI KSA, ako po si Senab Don Sr. ay taos-pusong bumabati sa 16 years anniversary ng SGBI Qatar. Yan po ay sa pangunguna ng ating ama at ina na si PCGS RML at si Senep Miles. Mula sa SGBI KSA, kami po ay bumabati sa inyong lahat. Ipagpatuloy lang na po natin ang magandang gawain at ang magandang nasimulan. At God bless po sa ating lahat. Mabuhay ang SGBI, mabuhay ang Guardians.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Kamay, man po sa lahat ng natataas. Mula po sa hanay ng Stone Wildcat Chapter dito sa Pilipinas. Binabati ko po ng happy 16th anniversary po ng SGBI, lalong na po kila nanay at tatay. Patuloy niyong ginagabayan ang ating organization po. Sa mga kapatid ko sa balikat, mabuhay kayong lahat. Manatili at malakas sa lahat ng bagay. Ngayon din po kila nanay at tatay. Stay strong po. Ang bawat isa po ay binabati ko ng happy 16th anniversary po para sa buong Stone. Yun lamang po. Mabuhay SGBI.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, mga kapatid ko sa balikat. Lalo na po sa ating magigiting founding father ng SGBI na si PCGS RML at ang ating ina na si Senip Miles at sa lahat ng mga incorporator ang bumuo ng SGBI, sa lahat ng mga members, mga brad and sis, nawa ay pagpalain kayo ng ating Panginoon sa pagselebrar ngayon January 17 ng 63rd anniversary. Nawa maging malakas ang bawat isa sa inyo, maging masaya sa pagselebrar ng ating anniversary. Ako nga pala, si NPI, si Lorito Abarico Jr. ay bumabati po sa inyo, sa bawat isa sa inyo, sa ating 16th founding anniversary dyan sa Qatar. Nawa ay maging malusog ang bawat isa sa atin, at kung ano man ang mga hunos ng mga problema na dumarating ay dapat natin pag-uusapan upang maresolba kaagad. Sa bawat isa sa atin ang nagkakaroon ng problema, alam ko kaya natin yan. Ang bawat isa, pag nag-abroad, malakas ang katawan. Pananalig sa Panginoon, huwag kalimutan, at dasal sa bawat araw. Mga kapatid, maligayang pagbati ko po sa inyo ng 16th founding anniversary ng SGBI dyan sa Qatar. Mabuhay po kayo at long life guardians. Ang bato ay bato. Talagang matibay po talaga yan. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.